Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some questions of exercise 16.3, that is probability. Okay, in this look at very first question. Which of the following cannot be valid assignments of probabilities for outcomes of sample space S W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6, W7? There are 7 outcomes and we have to check that these are valid or not. So look at very first part. W1, W2 probabilities are given in this and we have to check that this assignment is valid or not. For validity, their sum should be, probability sum should be 1, okay, and or each probability less than 1 or equal to, or maybe equal to, less than 1 and greater than 0. Each probability less than 1 or greater than 0, or it should not be negative. So in first case, each probability lies between 0 and 1 and these are not negative. So look at their sum, PW1 plus PW2 plus PW4 up to PW7, their sum is 1. So that means this assignment is valid. Now come to second part. Each outcome is given 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 1 by 7. So after getting their sum, we will get 1. Okay, we will get, after doing their sum, we will get 1. So that means their sum is 1. So this assignment is also valid. Now come to C part. Each probability is less than 1. Each probability is less than 1 and their sum is look at 0.1 plus 0.2, 0.3, 0.6, 1. It is more than, it is 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6 or 4, 10, 10 or 5, 15, 15, 6, 21, 21 and 7, 28. It means this is 2.8. So this assignment is not valid because this sum is greater than 1. So this is not valid. Now in D part, PW1 and PW5 are negative given. It means probability negative given in these cases, and we know that probability cannot be negative. So this assignment is also not valid. Now come to CE part. In this, PW7 is greater than 1 given, 15 by 14, that means it is greater than 1. So this assignment is also not valid. So in E part, this is also not valid. Now come to question number 2. In question number 2, a coin is tossed twice. A coin is tossed twice. What is probability that at least one tail occurs? At least one tail occur. We have to find out probability at least one tail. So when a coin is tossed, then what is sample space? HH, HT, TH, TT. So A be the event of getting at least one tail means कम से कम एक tail आना चाहिए. So maybe two tail, maximum are two tail. So we can take HT, TH, TT. So this is A event. And how many numbers are in A event? 1, 2, 3. So number of elements in A, 3, and number of elements in sample space 4. So we know that the formula probability of A, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of possible outcome. So what is the meaning of total number of possible outcomes? This is number of in sample space, number of elements in sample space, and favorable outcome of A are number of elements in A. So formula is Na upon Ns. So what is Na? 3 and Ns is 4. So this is answer is 3 by 4. Now come to third question. A die is thrown. Find the probability of following events. If a die is thrown, we know that the sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and first case a prime number will appear. So if a die is thrown, then as sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let A be the event of getting a prime number. So what are prime number here? 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3, 5. So A event has elements 2, 3, 5. And number of elements in A, 3, and total number are 6. Then what is probability? 1 upon 2. Now in second case, let B be the event of getting number greater than or equal to 3. In this case, greater than or equal to 3. So greater than or equal to 3 numbers are here 3, 4 equal to 3 also. So 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 4 cases in this. Number of cases are 4 and total are 6. Then what is probability? 4 upon 6. That means 2 by 3. In C event, occurrence of number less than or equal to 1. Number less than or equal to 1. That means less than 1 तो कोई है नहीं और equal to 1 means 1. So we will take just 1 in this case. So C is be the event of occurrence of number less than or equal to 1. That means 1. So what is PC? NC upon NS. Number of elements in C is 1 and total are C. Then what is probability? 1 upon 6. Okay. And next case, a number greater than 6. So let D be the event of occurrence of number greater than 6. We know that there is no number greater than 6. That means D is empty set. It means phi set. So number of elements in D is 0. Then what is probability of D? ND upon NS. ND is 0 and NS is 6. So answer is 0. Now next case, a number less than 6. A number less than 6. So let E be the event of getting a number less than 6, means there are 5 cases there. Okay, so what is probability of E? Number of elements in E upon total number of elements. This is 5 upon 6. Now come to question number 4. In question number 4, a card is selected from a pack of 52 cards. There are total 52 cards. How many points are there in the sample space? It means we have to check that how many numbers are in sample space. So how many numbers are in sample space? If there are 52 cards, then there are 52 sample points. So number of points in sample space are 52. Okay, there are 52 points in the sample space. Now second part, we have to select one card and that card is of ace or spade. Ace of spade means we know that total cards are 52 and 13 diamond. Okay, 13 club, 13 hearts and 13 spade. Okay, and we have to take card ace of spade. Ace of spade means in this ace spade card only one ace, 1 2 number card, 1 3 number card, total are 13 cards. So one number is ace. So there are ace card is here 1, number of ace card is 1 and total are 52. Then what is probability? 1 upon 52. Now come to next. Let B be the event. In this we have to take card, there is drawn card is ace. In this case question, in second part, calculate the probability. Third part, calculate the probability that the card is an ace and or black card. So firstly we will find first part in this ace card. So we know that there are 4 ace cards. So B be the event in which card drawn is an ace. So number of elements in B are 4, means 4 ace cards and total are 52. Then what is the probability of B? NB upon NS. NB is 4 and NS is 52. What is probability? 1 upon 13. Now come to second part. There we have to draw card black. We have to draw black card. So let C be the event in which the card drawn is black card. Okay, so we know that there are 26 black and 26 red cards are there. 26 red and black cards are club and spade and red cards are hearts and diamond. Okay, now there are 26 black cards, so we have to take out one card from these cards. Then there are 26 cards, so number of favorable outcomes are 26 and total are 52. What is probability? 26 upon 52, that is 1 by 2. Now come to sixth question. In sixth question, there are 4 men and 6 women. Okay, 6 women are on the city council. If one council member is selected for a committee at random, how likely is it that it is a woman? Okay, in this case there are 4 men and 6 women on the city council. So total number of members are 10. One council member is to be selected from 10 members. So there are total 10 members. Okay, number of members in sample space are 10. Let A be the event of selected council member is woman. So how many women are there? How many women are there? 6. and we have to select one woman, so number of favorable upon number of total, so 6 upon 10. Then what is probability? 3/5. Now come to question number 7. A fair coin is tossed 4 times. If coin tossed 4 times, then there are 16 cases, 2 raised to power 4, 16 cases. And a person win ₹1 for each head and rupees lost ₹1.50 for each tail टर्न्स अप. अगर हेड आता है तो उसको ₹1 मिलते हैं, और अगर टेल आता है तो ₹1.50 वो लॉस करता है. फ्रॉम द सैम्पल स्पेस calculate how many different amounts of money you can have after 4 tosses. Okay, after 4 tosses how much money you will receive, and find the probability of having each of these outcomes. So firstly we will find the amount. We will calculate the amount. So how we will find amount, calculate amount? If a coin is tossed 4 times, so this is sample space, maybe 4 head come, maybe 3 head and 1 tail, maybe 3 tails and 1 head, and maybe 4 tails. Okay, in this maybe 2 head or 2 tails come. So these are 16 cases. If 4 heads turn up, 4 heads अगर चारों head आते हैं तो आपको कितने रुपये मिलेंगे? ₹1 for 1 head, ₹1 for second head, ₹1 for third head, ₹1 for fourth head. It means if 4 heads come, okay, then 1 1 1 1, so you will get ₹4, that is gain. If 3 heads and 1 tail turns up, then amount received ₹1 for 1 head, second head for ₹1, third head ₹1, and ₹1.50 lost for 1 tails. Then you will get ₹1.50, that is gain. Now if 2 heads and 2 tails turn up, so you will get ₹1 for 1 head, ₹1 for second head, and ₹1.50 for 1 tail you will lose, and ₹1.50 for second tail loss. So these are 2 and these are 3, then you will lose ₹1. After that, when 1 head and 3 tails, there are 5 cases here: 4 heads, 3 heads 1 tail, 2 head 2 tails, 1 head 3 tails. So 1 head 3 tails means if you will get 1 head, then you will get ₹1, and for 3 tails you will lose ₹1.50 for each tail. So there are 3 tails, you will lose ₹4.50 for each tail. So you will lose ₹3.50 means ₹3.50. Now if 4 tails turns up, that means you will lose ₹4 for ₹1.50 for each tail, then you will lose ₹6. Then this is the amount you will gain or loss. Now we have to find out the probability of each case. So if for probability winning ₹4 means winning ₹4 when you will when 4 heads turn up. When 4 heads turn up, then only 1 case is here. So number of favorable outcomes is 1, and total are 16. Then what is probability? 1 upon 16. Winning ₹1.50, ₹1.50. Winning ₹1.50. Then that means 3 head or 1 tail come. In this how many cases are there? 3 H and 1 T. हो सकता है फर्स्ट 2 पे H आए, थर्ड पे टेल आए, then head, then H T H H T H H H. So these are 4 cases when 3 heads and 1 tail. So there are 4 cases. Number of favorable are 4 and total are 16. When losing ₹1, that means 2 heads and 2 tails. 2 heads and 2 tails are 6 cases. So probability is 6 upon 16. You can cancel this, and 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 3/8, and in this 1/6, 1/4. Now come to next part. If find the probability of losing ₹3.50, losing ₹3.50. In this case 1 head or 3 tails come. So 1 head or 3 tails, these are 4 cases, then 4 cases upon 16, then what is probability? 1 upon 4. And last case P losing ₹6, then there are 4 tails. Then how many times 4 tail come? Only 1 time. So favorable is 1, total are 16, then probability is 1 upon 16. Now question number 8. In question number 8, 3 coins are tossed once. Find the probability of getting 3 heads, 2 heads, at least 2 heads. So these are 9 cases. We will discuss these 9 cases. If 3 coins are tossed once, then find the probability of getting these 9 cases. So if 3 coins are tossed, then we know that the sample space 3 head, 2 heads and 1 tail in 3 cases, 1 head and 2 tails are in 3 cases and 3 tails. So total number of cases are 8. So number of elements in sample space 8. Let A be the event of getting, first question, A be the event of getting 3 heads. A be the event of getting 3 heads or 3 heads turns up. So A be the event has element HHH. So number of elements in A 1 and total are 8. Then what is probability? 1/8. Now second part, 2 heads. 2 heads means exactly 2 heads. So there are 3 cases in which exactly 2 heads. So let B be the event of getting 2 heads. So then there are 3 cases in this. Then probability is 3/8. In third part, at least 2 heads means कम से कम 2 heads, minimum 2 heads. So maximum are 3. So 2 भी आ सकते हैं, 3 head भी आ सकते हैं. So HHT, HTH, THH, HHS. So number of favorable cases are 4 and total are 8. What is probability? 4/8. That means 1/2. Let D be the event of getting, now fourth part, at most 2 heads. At most means maximum 2 heads. Maximum 2 heads means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 heads आ सकते हैं. हो सकता है एक भी head ना आए, हो सकता है 1 head आ जाए, हो सकता है 2 head आ जाए. 3 head नहीं आ सकते क्योंकि maximum 2 heads बोले हैं. So there are 7 cases in these. Then what is probability? 7/8. Now फिफ्थ पार्ट, इन फिफ्थ पार्ट नो हेड. नो हेड मीन्स कोई भी हेड नहीं होना चाहिए. इट मीन्स नो हेड का मतलब कोई भी हेड नहीं होना चाहिए तीनों में से. सो लेट ई बी द इवेंट ऑफ गेटिंग नो हेड. देन तीनों के तीनों टेल आएंगे. देन ई बी द इवेंट ऑफ गेटिंग 3 टेल्स. देन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई विल बी फेवरेबल इज 1. वी कैन राइट NE/NS. वट इज NE? 1 and NS is 8. Then probability is 1/8. Now sixth part, 3 tails. 3 tails means तीनों tail आने चाहिए as last case. F be the event of getting 3 tails means F is equal to TTT. Then PF will be NF/NS. NF is 1 and total are 8. Then probability is 1/8. Now seventh part, exactly 2 tails. Exactly 2 tails. So let Z be the event of getting exactly 2 tails. Then number of elements are 3. 2 tails mean exactly 2 tails. There are 3 cases only in which 2 tails and 1 head come. So number of favorable upon number of total outcomes. So this is 3/8. Now no tail means तीनों head आएंगे. अगर कोई भी tail नहीं है तो क्या आएगा? तीनों head. So I have taken I be the event. Okay, I be the event of getting no tail means तीनों head आएंगे. So what is the probability? Number of favorable upon total. Number of favorable are 1 and total are 8. Now ninth part, let J be the event of getting at most 2 tails. At most 2 tails means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 tail आ सकते हैं. तो हो सकता है एक tail ना आए, हो सकता है 1 tail आ जाए, हो सकता है 2 tail आ जाए. So there are 7 cases. Then probability is 7/8. Probability is 7/8. Now in ninth question, PA is given and we have to find out P not A. And we know that the formula of P not A, 1 minus PA, or PA is given in this case 2/11. Then probability is, take LCM, 1 minus 2/11 is 9/11. We can write also not A means PA bar. The symbol is for bar. Now question number 10. In this question, question number 10, a letter is chosen at random from the word assassination. Find the probability that the letter is a vowel or consonant. Firstly check that how many letters are in this. There are 13 letters in this word. Okay, there are 13 letters means number of elements in sample space are 13 and we have to take out vowel. So how many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 vowels and 7 consonants. Then there are 13 letters in assassination. Then number of elements in sample space are 13. So A be the event of selecting vowel. Vowel, how many vowels are there? 6. So number of elements in A are 6 and number of elements in S are 13. Then this is 6/13. And in next case we want to find out consonants. So how many consonants are there? 7. So favorable are 7 and total are 13. Then probability is 7/13.